Hello there, my name is McHorse, and welcome to Blockbuster tutorial series. This is episode number 3, and in this episode, I'll show you how to use model blocks. This is a model block. You can place it in the world, or hold it in your hands. You can find model block in Blockbuster's Creative tab. It looks like Steve. Model block is a decorational block/item. It allows you to use morphs to decorate your world, or entities like actors and players. You can edit a model block by right-clicking when it's on the ground. There are a lot of options here. Let's break them down. Translate, scale, and rotate allow you to manipulate transformations of the model block. Translate allows you to position the morph relative to the model block's position in the world. Scale allows to scale the model. This allows you to make model blocks big or small, but also you can stretch model block on different axes. One checkbox allows you to scale the character equally across all axes, with a single slider. And rotate allows you to rotate the model. Unfortunately, due to how XYZ rotation works, there are two different rotation modes that allow you to adjust the order of rotations. XYZ rotation allows you to rotate X-axis relative to Y rotations, but at cost that Z rotation will be global. Meanwhile, ZYX rotation allows you to rotate across Z-axis relative to Y rotation, but at cost of X rotation being global. If you didn't understand any of it, it's fine. Just play around with it until you're happy. Before we move into the next section, you don't have to right-click the model block in order to edit it once you've done it before. After loading the world, there is a dashboard keybind, which is 0 by default, and allows you to open the GUI. Model blocks menu also have a menu, which is similar to director block's last used list, where you can pick previously edited model blocks. The item slot boxes, on left and right sides near the center of the screen, allow you to assign items for model blocks entity item slots. Meanwhile, entity yaw, pitch, and body yaw properties allow you to specify vanilla entity rotations. This is useful if you use entity morphs, and since these don't support poses, you can use these sliders to align mob's body and head. And the last option allows to display vanilla entity shadows. If you play without shaders, you might have noticed that characters placed with model blocks don't have a vanilla shadow. Enabling this checkbox will display a vanilla entity shadows underneath the model. However, with shaders enabled, it would have no effect. As you may noticed, you can also hold model block with a morph in your hands. If you want to hold a model block with a different morph, you need to pick a morph. Hold Ctrl key or Command key on Mac and pick block keybind. Then you'll get a model block with a different morph. Transformation and entity rotation properties also affect how it looks in your hands. You can also put a model block onto your head with the onHead command. If you'll drop a model block item with a custom morph, it will also display correctly. You can use model blocks for numerous exterior decorations like statues, or interior decorations like action figures, trophies, custom pictures, etc. The trick here is to place model blocks in different places and translate them to appropriate locations. And finally, you can also use model blocks where you can't use body part system. These characters wear model blocks in both hands and on the head. You can also disable model block rendering in the main panel of dashboard GUI. I'm not sure if it's useful, but I decided to show it anyway. Anyways, hopefully you got some cool ideas in which you could use model blocks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.